Hey, hello everyone. I am Engineer Oliver C. Silvano, the developer of the SilVerTek Learning Management System. Okay, for today's video, I am going to create a tutorial on how to fix on one of the problem that I observed during the downloading of TOS in our LMS Question Bank. Okay, the problem is competencies are being duplicated in the TOS downloaded from the LMS Question Bank. Okay, and the solution for that is you are going to update your system. Okay, to show you that problem, so I will demonstrate to you using my SilVerTek. This one is my older SilVerTek LMS or the Learning Management System. Okay, so I'm going to click on my advisory class and say, for example, I am going to create my summative test using the question bank. So I will be clicking on this QB icon. And after that, we are in the environment of that question bank. Okay, so first, I want to set my expected total items, which is 40. And then I'm going to select questions, and based on that questions, my selected questions, it should be expected questions distribution should match the actual questions distribution. And as you can see, match na po. 24 yung AC, 24 din yung AC sa kabila. 12 average, then the other average is also 12. And difficult 4 in the actual questions distribution. Difficult also 4 in expected questions distribution. Now, we can generate now our questionnaire by clicking on this generate questionnaire. Okay, and then we are going to set the total number of days, say for example 45, and after that we are going to download the TOS. Okay, so this time this downloaded TOS, as I observed last time, competencies here are being duplicated, which is not, that should not be the case, no? So I'm going to save that one, and after that I will navigate that in the downloads. We have the downloads folder, and we have this the newly downloaded TOS. So we're going to double click that one to open the file in the Excel, and then click on enable editing. Okay, we can see here that there are 4 rows in here, wherein the first content, or the first we have this one, the first content, and the third content are the same also with the second content and the fourth content. So this should be not the case, no? Supposedly 1 and 3 content, this should be in merge. Naka-merge po dapat sa, at saka yung 2 at saka 4, because they are the same lesson, dapat merge po sila. Okay, so to fix this problem, we're going to close this TOS, and then after that we are going also to close this generated questionnaire, and also we need to update the system. So in updating the system, we have 2 options. So first, we are going to visit our SilVerTek Learning Management System community forum through the DipAid zn.net/lms board link. So this is the link of our community forum, and then it is stated here that SilVerTek, okay, in SilVerTek releases section, okay, we have here the new update, SilVerTek new update as of October 25. So today is October 25, the latest one. So we're going to click this or to browse that forum. We have instructed here that we are going to click the Google Drive above to download the updated SilVerTek LMS. So if you are going to reinstall your SilVerTek Learning Management System, you are going to download the installer using this link. Or you can also use the check for updates facility from your existing SilVerTek LMS to update your system. So meron po yung check for updates. And the change log is this one. Fix on duplicated competencies in your downloaded TOS from the LMS Question Bank. Okay? So we are going to perform this one. Check for updates. Okay, to perform this one, I just wanna minimize that browser, and then I'm going to click this icon, my image, my picture here. I'm going to click that one and then click on check for updates. Okay, so after clicking on that one, take note, this it will require us to connect to the internet if we are going to use this facility. No, pati naman po kung i-download natin yung installer niya, we are also using the internet, so we should be connected to the internet. No, okay. After that, this window pop up and inform us that new updates is available. Okay, click on update button to download and install the system. So just click on update, and after that, just click on yes on this smart screen, and then we are just going to wait until the updates finish downloading and installed in our system. Okay, so it depends upon the speed of your internet connection. No, file you are going to download, I think 150 MB files. Okay, so download time depends on your internet connection. Okay, so let's wait. It's 100%, and then we will just wait until this start button becomes enabled. So you can see the start button is enabled already, so we can click on start, and then our system will launch. Okay, we'll wait for a while because it will launch our system. Okay, so as I was saying, our system will launch. Okay, so I'm going to check whether the error has been fixed through updating the system. Okay, so I will navigate on classes, and then on this my advisory class, and then on my question bank. So I'm going to set the expected output, and then I'm going to select all of these questions. Anyway, there are only 40 questions, and actual questions and expected questions is already matched. Okay, so I can generate the questionnaire, click on generate questionnaire, and set the total number of contact days, say for example 45, and then click on download TOS. And after that one, we're just going to save this one. So for example, I am going to overwrite this file that I've downloaded earlier, and then click on save, and then click on yes. Okay, it will just overwrite the file. Okay, after that, we're going to check our downloaded TOS. Okay, so by navigating on or opening a folder and navigate on downloads, and then find your downloaded TOS. Mine is this one. Okay, so I'm going to double click that one to open that in Excel and view the result. So I am going to click on enable editing to fix the layout. Okay, after that, I can see that this one is medyo hindi po siya nakikita ng konti. Adjust lang po natin yung row natin. Okay, and then also this one, adjust lang din po natin yung row height po natin. Kulang po siya. Okay. As you can see, wala na po yung duplicated na content or lesson po sa ating TOS. Okay? So, I think the problem is fixed. So, I hope your problem also with this TOS is also resolved using by watching this tutorial. Okay, again, please update all of us, and thank you for watching.